Hola y buenos días. Welcome to the Daily Word Builder, where we help you to ampliar tu vocabulario en español. So if you want to ampliar tu vocabulario, stay to the end of this video, 2-3 minutos, and aprender un poco más. La palabra de hoy es pieza. Pieza means piece. So in muchos casos, we could just translate it as piece or part. So pedir la pieza para arreglar el motor. So you order the piece. Pedir means to order. Pedir la pieza. And arreglar means to mend or repair. Pedir la pieza para arreglar el motor. So that's just a straight translation. The same thing would happen with a jigsaw puzzle, which is a great name in Espanol, though I don't know if I agree with it. See what you think. A jigsaw is un rompecabezas. And it's all one word, rompecabezas. And it is masculine, even though it ends in A. Cabeza is feminine, but very often when you get nouns that are compound nouns, like bottle opener, or in this case, rompecabeza, is masculine. They're often masculine. Okay, so rompe on its own is this idea of break. Y cabeza is your head, of course. So when you're missing a piece, you say falta. El rompecabezas falta una pieza. But I was going to ask you, do you think that jigsaw is something that would break your head? Para mí, en mi opinión, un rompecabezas no es algo que rompe mi cabeza. It's just, bueno, una idea mala, en mi opinión. Take a perfectly good picture, cut it into en piezas, 500 piezas, perdón, or 1000 piezas, and then mix it up so you have, oh, bueno. Some people like them. Very often in English we say a piece of. So we would say a piece of clothing. En español es just una prenda. A piece of advice is just un consejo. So you wouldn't say una pieza de prenda. No, you just say una prenda. And you wouldn't say una pieza de consejo. No, you just say un consejo. Okay. However, very often you do say pieza. So you could say pieza meaning room. So la pieza más grande de la casa es el dormitorio principal. Es la pieza más grande. Of course, you can use sala or habitación as well. Ampliar el vocabulario means getting other words. It's getting new words to say the same thing with different words. And it really does help, because very often you don't want to repeat yourself. So last ejemplo para hoy, una pieza can also mean a play. And that makes sense, doesn't it? A dramatic piece. And another word for that is una obra. Okay, so that's like a work, a theatre piece. La última obra del autor es una pieza maravillosa. By increasing your vocabulario, you don't have to repeat yourself, y puedes hablar con más elegancia. So, like the video, subscribe to the channel Y por favor, vuelve mañana when I'm going to talk about otro aspecto de la palabra pieza. Hasta entonces, gracias for watching y adiós.